Good morning, guys. Alright, me and Chuck went racing last night, okay? We got home about 2:30 a.m. I'm exhausted. It's Sunday, and I got a lot of things I gotta get done today, and I need to edit all the footage for y'all. So what I decided I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get in the shade first of all. Okay, feel a lot better. I just woke up. What I'm gonna do for today's video is I'm gonna record this quick video explaining a couple things, and I'll give you guys some highlight clips so y'all get to see what actually went down, and then you'll get a few video, hopefully within 2 days, because it's a lot of footage to get to where you're about to see here in like 10 seconds. But yeah, if you're new here, make sure to subscribe, plenty more to come. And guys, I gotta give a huge shout out to Be More Fox on YouTube, and his info is gonna be in the description. But when this full video comes out, you're gonna see a lot of details about him and what he did to help us get to where we got. So be on the lookout for him too, and check out his channel. He's got a lot more action than we got here. We're focused more on like building, because we're always broke financially and mechanically, but that's okay. I think that's why you guys like watching us struggle, because you're like, man, they can do it, I can do it. And that's the whole point. Anybody can do this, okay? And he has a lot of content on there like that too. But anyways, this is just going to be a quick highlight update video, and then the full video is going to come out. Let's see, full video is going to come out probably 2 days from now. All right, guys, hope you enjoy it.